Intro. Go.
Intro.
Oh my God, he botched it. Oh my God. Yo, Kevin botched it. All right, guys. We thought we'd have a bigger turnout here. JP really got screwed. Nobody confirmed with him. He's on the hook for $2,000.
I got Sour Patch Kids to make up for it.
Yeah, maybe some snacks. Look, you feed that big guy right there, he forgets all about money. Welcome back, YouTubers, gunners, and subscribers. We are here at the track. There's a couple of nice foreign cars. There's a yellow Type R here. But most importantly, there's a what?
Salamander.
There it is. It's
One and only.
the one and only. Cerruti's here. Everybody's here. They got a car from Street Outlaws here. We'll probably, hopefully, I don't know if we can film that car. They're doing some testing, but we're here. Welcome back. I love you guys. You want to finish the intro?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Let's start gunning. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Seb's first time at the track ever. First time on slicks ever. We're taking a different approach here, Kev. We're gonna leave the car at 12 pounds of tire pressure.
Right.
He's not gonna do a burnout. He's not going to launch the car. He's gonna take off like a traffic light, put it into second, hold on, have fun. Unfortunately, we didn't bring extra axles. So it would suck to break the car on the very first pass.
Right.
Nothing's gonna break on the car. It's gonna go fast. We're gonna be able to do third gear burnouts. We're gonna launch it. Everything's gonna work out good. But to get the jitters out, he's just gonna essentially drive off of the line, put it into second, and actually get to feel all 500 horsepower.
Right.
Is that a pause?
Nah.
It's borderline.
Yeah.
It's borderline. It's real windy out here. Look at Waffle. Jesus Christ. You're catching JP, man. You're catching JP. Nah, you're catching. It's Fluffy. Oh, man. I'm going to hell, guys. We're going to get some views of those nice cars, but just wanted to give you the breakdown on Frank Dukes. Ooh, I see you, Reyes. See you, my boy.
He's good. He's all healed up.
Wish that man luck, man. That's a good dude going out there. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to light up those two bulbs. Let it go green. Drive off like you're at a traffic light. In first gear, step on it a little bit. Put it in second. Have fun. Nice and easy. Take your time.
The little kid can't be up here.
Not you, Cerruti. You're not a little kid. He's good. You're good. Nice and easy. Go A to B. Move up. Back up. Back up. Calm down. Calm down. More rev. More rev. Perfect. See him understanding the track, how he moved to the left. Now he gets to feel the boost in the car. Not bad. 13.4, driving like a wimp. 5,000 horsepower. This is not a good idea. I ain't standing here no more, bro. I ain't standing here no more. God damn, this motherfucker went to the 8th mile. He went to the 8th mile. Nah, I gotta give my people a better view than this, man. Yeah. My ears are done. Nah, it's over. I'm not recording that car no more. Just get to the line and wait there. Get yourself ready. Great job, first pass. Just getting the feel of it, understanding what a machine feels like with slicks on. He got to feel all the horsepower this car makes on the dyno in third and fourth. So now he's comfortable with that G-force. Majority of people will try to teach others way too quickly. You can take this same advice too, just because you're not here. Again, just helpful advice. You don't always have to go out there and break the world record. You can just slowly get your way to it. Now, this pass, I told him the same thing, a little bit more aggressiveness in first. Let's see how he does. No burnout, so he's gonna go around the water. Now get into the groove quickly, yup. And now put your window up, take your time. Right there. Keep that same line. Stop. So you're not always gonna have someone at the track with you. You see that black box? You see those holes in the black box? Yep. Get to that and stay straight. Slow. There you go. There you go. Miss fourth. Nice. Not bad. Okay, third time down the track. Let's see if he could just get all 4 gears in. Yep, put your window up. You're way out of the groove. Straight. They're a fast car, man. There it is. All right, Cerruti. 4th pass, last pass, ran out of gas.
Yes.
Put 5 gallons of corn in it. He's going to take off aggressive like last time. He had a 1.960 foot, which is not terrible for a car that's doing no burnout. We're not even using a 2-step. He actually deactivated it. because we have a sensor issue with the speed sensor.
Yep.
So now, hopefully, he gets a better, cleaner pass down there, gets all the gears in, see what he's got. Nice. 11-2, 128. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Progression, bro. Progression. I love it. I love it. Much better. Hell yeah. Okay. Different game plan now. He's more comfortable with going down the track, Cerruti. We're going to go to 9 pounds. He's going to preload the car. We taught him how to preload the car in the parking lot. He's going to leave a lot more aggressive now and just simply get the car into gear. So we're going to aim on the short track, and then whatever happens after the short track, just getting the car into the gear, it should go a high 10 easily.
Absolutely.
So he missed 4th gear last pass, launched much better, had a 1.860 foot, went 11.2 at 129. So we won't go crazy and drop these. These are supposed to be at 6 pounds. We'll go to 9, and we'll see how he does on this pass. Neutral, neutral, reset, take your time. So leave a lot more aggressive now and just try to get the car into the gear. It should be a 10-second pass. Five, 6,000 RPMs. It's a 10. Ah, he went to second. He went to second.
I think he saved it though.
Yeah, he caught it.
Got to stamp it out.
18, right?
Send that sponsorship. Send that sponsorship.
Really?
I'm trying to find a replacement. And I guess I bought a cheap grill. You know what cheap grill?
Oh,
cheap
yeah,
lawnmowers,
yeah.
There's no replacement parts. Yep. Went and bought a bag of fertilizer. Seen the display one. Oh, look at that. It's my personal gift to myself for being a loyal Home Depot.
That's like they can do.
Down to all those bars in May.
So who's giving the bad news to the vlog on why this car is on the trailer?
Frank Dux, he lost the Kumite to Chong Li.
Damn it.
Monica.
Sucks, man.
He'll be back. He'll be back.
So Seb accidentally did a 3-2. Heard some funny things at the end of the track. Got pulled back into here. Pause. Turns out that Frank Dukes has spun a bearing, boys. Thank God it's a stock motor. Thank God he didn't kick a rod, drop a valve, destroy the cylinder head, destroy the turbo. We're just gonna go pick up another... Son of a bitch. We're just gonna go pick up another stock JDM K24, swap the oil pump. But we're in for a long haul right now. We've got a lot of shit to figure out, Cerruti. How are we getting home? What time to get the U-Haul back? How are these guys getting home? We're gonna figure that out hopefully in this 2-hour ride. But check out JP's shirt.
Monica!
Your beard is covering it.
Oh, sorry.
Nailed it. All right. Pause on the pipe. Pause on the pipe. We lost one, Gunners. We lost one. Our boy Frank Dukes, man. I'm so happy for Seb, man. He got to accomplish a lot today. He got to really understand his car. Got to enjoy the experience. We hung out with some amazing gunners there. I love all of you, man. Thank you for being my friends. Bittersweet. The man, you could see that he's down. It kind of put the mood down on us too, but just trying to boost his boost his confidence. Tell him we're gonna be all right, bro. We're gonna pick up a stock motor again, K24A. I'll build it for him at the garage. He'll take his car home. Once the motor's ready, bring the car in. We'll swap everything over in a day or two. We'll take our time. We'll clean up other things. I want to take the twin disc out of here. This guy's not going to track this thing too much, so most likely he'll sell the twin disc and we'll get him an Iron Man in there so he could have a little bit more drivability. But yeah, we're filling up gas here in Jersey. We're going to head home. Looks like we're going to hit a lot of traffic. But yeah, man, give him some support in the comments, bro. I'm pretty sure you guys have all went down this road. But happy for my brother to really enjoy his car, man. This guy's a great man to me. Pause. He's helped me out numerous times. He's taken the shirt off his back for me. Pause. And I'm just glad I can help him achieve a bucket list, right? So yeah, with that being said, man, Frank Dukes will be back up and running before you know it. I'll get to clean up another few extra things, but for the most part, it was a good time. Unfortunate failure, but I want him to take that shifter box out. I want him to put a stock one in there, and then we'll go from there. But thank you guys for the support. We start the giveaway June 8th, 6 p.m. keepgunning.com. If you're interested in joining to win the S2000 delivered anywhere in the world, 81 bucks. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the website there. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog, and show some support in the comments, guys. Love you. Keep gunning.